So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to be looking at the new for 2022 BSA 650 GoldStar. The engine in this bike is an A2 compliant 652cc single cylinder double overhead cam. Transmission on the bike is 5-speed and the maximum torque on the bike is 55 Newton meters at 4000 RPM, and the horsepower is 45 brake horsepower at 6000 RPM. And it has a 6,200 mile service interval. The fuel tank on this bike is 12 litres and BSA are claiming around 75 miles per gallon. The brakes on this bike come from Brembo, and these are the Bibury which you see on the Royal Enfields currently, and the suspension which is telescopic on the front, and then you've got preload only springs on the rear. The bike comes now with water cooling, but you can still see on the engine that it has the fins along the side in keeping with the original look and finish of the engine. You've got a single-sided 320mm disc on the front and a 220 on the rear. The wheels on the bike are 36 wire spoke alloy rims. The wet weight of the bike is 213 kilograms and the seat height is 780mm. Now on first look at the bike it looks really well built. I like how they've got the luggage stays already on the bike. It's not an accessory, that comes as standard. So there's no price on this bike just yet. I did ask at the show. All I know is it's coming out in 2022, don't know which month, and the price will be similar to that of the Royal Enfield 650. So that's a look at the new BSA 650 GoldStar, and like I say, keep your eyes peeled for more information on this bike coming out and launch date, and I look forward to riding one when they're available. Okay, so I'm off to have a look at some of the older BSA motorcycles on the stand and the rest of the show. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Cheers guys!